6.5 hours, we finally landed. We actually landed earlier than expected, and we were scheduled to go to Blue Lagoon not until 8, and it's currently 6:30 in the morning. So we're gonna kill some time and check out a place called the Bridge Between Two Continents. No idea what it is, but I guess we'll go check it out.
The bridge between two continents.
But this is Iceland, it's not a continent.
It's between two continents.
So we're gonna go to another continent?
No, the tectonic plates. That's what.
Did you fart?
No.
Smelly! So it actually smells like rotten eggs. There's a strong smell of sulfur in the area. Oh my god, oh! Forgot how cold it is. How cold? What is it, below 10 degrees? Okay, not to be a huge nerd, but this is so cool. So this bridge is actually connecting two different tectonic plates. I'm currently on the North American plate and Kian is on the Eurasian plate. So we're kind of on two different continents.
Does it? First activity done and
dusted. So we still have more time to kill. 7:08. So we're gonna now check out some hot spring. Is it a hot spring or a geyser?
It's a hot spring.
A hot spring. So that's the hot spring we're going to. That looks insane.
Wow. Yeah.
I'm just gonna press the button. This is insane. Like hot water exploding from the ground. So cool. Just did Blue Lagoon. How would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Got
10 years younger now.
I know, we got some facials. We got like 3 different masks. And now we are on our way to a volcano that apparently has been erupting since August 3rd. So I guess we'll check it out and see if it's still erupting. So we're gonna be hiking up there. There's people over there. Yeah, it'd take us 2 hours. Going up. So we didn't get to see any live lava. We did get to see some molten rock, which was pretty cool. Although I did wish I saw lava. Anyways, time to finally check into our hotel.
Yeah.
And take a nap. Thank you.
Road trip.
Road trip. Day 2 of Iceland. Skalgafoss. No wait. Seljafoss.
First?
Yeah.
Second one. I thought there was Selfoss.
Seljafoss and then Skogafoss. Selfoss is tomorrow.
Okay.
They all sound the same.
Yeah. And cut to being on the road.
I'm already behind that waterfall. What? Splashes! What an adventure. 10 out of 10, recommend.